Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to talk about 5 things we love about flying. So let's get started. The first thing is an opportunity to disconnect it. How often do we get turn off our phones and log off WhatsApp and Instagram these days? We're always connected, always sharing, always chatting. Being on a plane is a rare and welcome opportunity to shut down all the chatter and sleep, chill out, catch up on your favorite magazines. Listen to music, watch a few shows, and maybe listen to that Coldplay album you never got around to. The second thing is the food's surprisingly tasty, especially if you're hungry. I don't know what about you, but I actually enjoy those little sandwich snacks and mini meals they serve on planes. I'm usually so hungry and thirsty by the time they come around that I will chow down pretty much anything cheese sandwich with a berry relish or a chicken pasta with a weird yellow sauce. Flush it all down with one of these mini cans or a Coke, a cup of coffee, and the sky high government experience is complete. The third thing is you never know who you might meet. I have met some fascinating people on planes, and although it's perfectly fine to mind your own business and sleep, read or listen to music while paying no attention to the person sitting next to you. You could end up having a great chat or learn something new by turning to them, flashing a friendly smile, and maybe even uttering a word or two. One time I did just that and ended up learning more about the fashion industry than I ever could have imagined. Good opening lines if you don't know who to breathe the ice. Are you traveling for work or holiday? What's your favorite destination in the world? Do you have any tips for the city you're traveling to? The fourth thing is it's a means to a great end. Flying is fun because it will take you places. Granted, flights to your destination are more fun than flights back. But I just love that feeling of anticipation and excitement that takes over when you head out the airport on the first day of your holiday. Airport waiting lines aren't fun, but once you step on that plane, find your seat and peer out that little window, it's on. You're on your way. The last thing is it makes for some killer photos. Ever flown into LA in the early evening or over the city of London at 8 a.m. It's stunning, believe me, and worth an Instagram shot or two. Although you'll only be able to post once you're connected on the ground. From stunning sunsets to city flyovers, making sure you grab a window seat when you check in will be one of the smartest decisions you ever made. So, however guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.